if you can't get it off, do that! Get it off! 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9! Itchy back! Itchy back! Oh, you're good! You're good! Come on! Everything!
Copy over. Copy over. Dan 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 dan. Dan 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 dan.
Not actually doing anything.
Are you sure it's because you... Go again?
Oh God! Oh, your gloves aren't on properly.
Watch up there, watch up there.
Copy that. I got Dan and Stu with me. We're going to push around on the left. I'm going to push up into the little sort of trench line.
Move it up, move it up.
Medic!
Struggling.
Yeah.
Go down very well. Yeah, keep us covered that side then. You got eyes on that.
Hit! Dead man! Dead man!
Your left! That's right, he'll just wait for the other team to medic him.
Oh.
That's all it needs.
Go for it, didn't happen, Dan. Hit!
Yeah.
Hit!
Medic! 1, 2, 3,
4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah.
Pull him out. Hit!
They're going with that. Oh! Magazine. He's down.
Coming in. Worth it.
Oh, Bugsy! Oh, no! Oh!
One into that corner.
7, 8, 9, 10. Back in. Back on that window, mate.
Oh, stop it!
Oh, I'm down. No block. No, I need to get out of here. Lettuce.